Alright, match number 2 is against some guy called Dimebucker 1985. What the fuck? Dimebucker? What the fuck is a Dimebucker? I don't get some of these fucking people, man.
Old axiom today.
Well, he sucks. He only has 3,000 points. That's okay. He has the power of lag on his side. Oh, anything's possible with the power of lag. Sure. Wow, like that wasn't predictable. Oh my god, why didn't that work? That's bullshit. Well, so far, 2 fucking horrible scrubs. Excellent.
Let's pick up the pace. Fight!
Why did that not combo? What the fuck? That's bullshit. Why did that not combo? Oh my god, I'm kicking the super out. What? I thought that worked, I guess not. I just did that for fun. I could have killed him, but I didn't care. Yes, finish him with Ultra. Crush his spirit. Swallow his soul. Oh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Violence is a beautiful thing. Seth wins.
Boy, that guy was terrible.